Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to enable night mode on the following device. So at first open list of all settings, then find and select display, and here you should go to night light. Now you can simply turn it on now by tapping on this switcher, and of course you can personalize it so you can change the intensity of this mode, and you can switch it off the same way, but you can also schedule night light. So tap on schedule and it can be turned on at custom time, so you can select it manually by yourself. So let me pick the start hour and the end hour, then change the intensity. So once this mode is on, between 12 and 3 o'clock, this night light will be automatically activated. You can also pick turns on from sunset to sunrise, and then every day from sunset to sunrise, night light will be automatically activated. So that's it. Now we can have also the quick access to this mode. Simply slide down the upper bar, and here you've got the night light. Click on it, and now it's on. If you would like to switch it off, simply tap on it one more time, and then you're back in standard one, in normal mode. So that's it. This is how you can activate night light in your device, in your Nokia 8.1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.